Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is the second part of the Symmetry tool that comes inside of Corel 2018. So if you don't have it, you might want to watch this video and see if it's. I'm going to be doing a couple of videos on the new features of it. And let's zoom in here. I created these two last night, or this one, and I created this morning. So we're going to take an object that's already pre-drawn this time, and we're going to right click and we're going to create a new symmetry. Now, this line here, you can move them closer together. You can move this X where the next symmetry will be from the other way, but we actually want it there. Now we're going to go up here to this dialog box and hit more than one, so we're at 2. Now let's go to 3, that's a pretty cool design already. But let's say we have this right here, and we don't like that. Well, you can take this X and move it up and down, and it'll spread them out to where you really want them. Let's go a little bit further down. Now, how do you get out of this? You finish editing it, and then right here, break symmetry apart. And now each one of these are individual, or you can take object and go to group and ungroup. And then each one of these is individual. If you wanted to color some of them in and not the other, take away the hairline, or you can always select them all and color all of them in and take away all the outline. That's a pretty cool tool. Corel's done a really good job. And you know, you could do a lot of this with the mirror tool and the clone tool, but it's kind of fun to play around with, and you're going to be able to get some patterns that you can do in a lot less time. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.